Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I have installed my shower. I had double shower that I got from Amazon. It was really easy to install. As you already know, I already put in my black faucets, overflow valve, and a drain spout, black. And there that is. Now let me just say, when I put it together and everything, of course, the diverter, this is the diverter. You can turn it forwards or backwards, and that operates the rain shower head and diverts it or whatever to the handheld. Now the handheld, it has the, you change the button here that you change the type of water spray that you want coming out. Pushes it in, and okay, but I just wondered about that. I don't know, whatever. So there's that, and that the holder came with it, so put that on. And it said not to use it. I saw it somewhere, I don't know where, not to use it for 24 hours. So we're doing that. And, but anyway, when I first put it on, I had a leak coming from the diverter that connected to the wall arm. And I was like, but I did not use the wrench that comes with it. So, and I don't have that wrench in my hand, but I want to tell you, tightening it, this bolt and this one with the wrench made all the difference for the leak. So just follow the instructions, because I was like, shoot, I got this thing tight. Well, I got it tight, hand tighten. A lot of things say hand tighten, so as not to over tighten. So I did it and had the leak. So, but I kind of struggled getting that wrench on here. And then I realized there's a little notch in this bolt. And there's a notch in this one. Oh, you can kind of see that one. It's right there. So what I did, I got a paper towel and I folded it, because it says do protect the, these because of the finish on it. You don't want to scrub it. So I figured out. So anyway, I got my paper towel and I put it over. You got to get that wrench in that little slot to catch. And like I said, just read those instructions, because it did say that this and that one are C-rings. And they're C-rings because of that little slot. But you got to get that wrench in that slot to be able to tighten it. And man, let me tell you, that is all the difference. To just follow those instructions, because I tried putting plumber's tape on it in the beginning. I was like, they don't know what they're talking about. Because all plumbers, you got to put some tape on the stuff, on the whatever you call them. I don't know what the right word is for the threads. Okay, so I did that, and I still had that leak. So don't use no threads except for thread the pipe that's going in there. That's your wall pipe into the pipe. Oh, and also the flange came with this pipe that I purchased with it. So anyway, I'm going to show you all, because this thing has awesome power. That handheld, man, hold on a minute, let me show you. Okay, now right there, that is the rain shower. And man, that is excellent. I can't wait to get under it. That is great. Okay? So that's a hook I have on the wall from my previous handheld. But that is wonderful. Now hold up. Let me show you. Okay, so that's that. So no leaks or none. I mean, man, it's great. So I'm going to twist the diverter. Now, here we go. Here, this is the handheld, okay? And as I said, there's a button, so I'm gonna change. Ooh, I can't hardly do with my left hand, I'm right hand. Ow, I'm gonna change hands, see if I can. I put the phone in my mouth, you all. So here we go, I'm changing. Shit, I guess my dexterity is off today. Okay, there's one. There's the, I guess whatever it is. There's that. Okay. There's that, so there's 3. And I do have carpal tunnel and all that kind of stuff. Well, I had surgery, so it's hard for me to push things. There's that. And I don't know how many speeds it's got, but it is powerful. That's powerful, man. That is powerful. So, I'm going to put this back up and switch the diverter. Okay, there we go. So, I cannot not recommend it because, like I said, if you follow those instructions, don't use any tape, even though they send in tape with it. Don't use it, and do exactly what it says, and I think you'll be satisfied. I am. Thank you.
Okay, so I already have this tooth shower connected. You know, I already have another diverter valve on there, and this connects to my tooth shower. So I'm going to try to connect this, my new shower head and my handheld, to a existing diverter. See how it goes. So I already put up the adhesive handheld holder, just like it says right here. Okay, there's not really any instructions like step by step, but I'm going with this. And it doesn't really say if it'll work in another existing diverter valve. But this is the first one that I had on, and this is the new NearMoon one. And I'm going to keep going. Okay, so the hexon, whatever, goes up here. And the smooth one goes here when you connect the handheld. And it has these little screw caps, I guess, they screw off. But you gotta be very careful because when you screw it off, the washer is in there, and I opened it up before I videotaped it and it flew out. So I wanted to let you guys know that it does screw off, and just be careful because the washer's inside already. See, it screws off. Put it down. Well, I can't do that with only 2 hands. And the washer is not there because it fell right there. So I'm going to put it back on. Okay, so I put the washer back in. That's the washer. And so when you unscrew this one, be careful because the washer is already in there. And I'm sorry if this video is really crappy, but it's really hard to do with only 2 hands. So now I'm going to screw the hexon part to the diverter, the valve. Okay, I didn't want to connect it because I wanted to show you that I'm going to put this plumber's tape that they provide in there. I'm going to put it on there, and I'm going to put it on there clockwise. Don't put it on this way because you'll make leaks. If you put it on this way, and then go this way. Okay? Okay, I put it on, and then I used the provided little wrench here that they give you, and it's really cool. It fits on this, and then this side, the bigger side, fits on the one that you connected to the main connector. So they both fit. One's right here, flip it over, the other one's right here. Okay, so now that's connected, and I already have it sitting on this. Now it says not to use it within 24 hours, and I'm not gonna put any pressure on it. I just wanted to show you that is where it goes. And then this goes with the handheld, which is down here. This is the handheld, and it would go right here. But I'm not gonna put it on it because it says wait till 24 hours. So just, now the tricky part of why I made this video is because I wanted to know if this was going to work on an existing diverter valve, because I already had one, which is this one, and it went to my tooth shower, which is a really cool product that you use when you clean your teeth. Anyway, so I put their NearMoon's diverter valve on the existing diverter valve that I had, pretending that this was my original shower connector, which is not. So I know that there's a little nozzle right here for my other product, but this is the one for the NearMoon shower head and handheld. I just really want to see if this works okay. And I'm gonna, uh-oh, I did it wrong. This does not go here. The main shower head goes here. This goes over here. Oopsies. Okay, so I switched the handheld tube, and I just put it over here so I could put on my new shower head. It's so pretty. So now let's see if that thing works. So we're going to see if the NearMoon shower head combo handheld works with an existing diverter valve. Let's see, hold on. I gotta take all this stuff out of the shower. I don't wanna get it wet. Okay, here we go. Let's see if it works on an existing shower head. I mean, an existing converter valve. Now there's water spraying out everywhere. Oh, great. Okay, so I had to take off the second diverter valve, and it's working really great now. The pressure's really good, and now I can go between that and my shower head, and I won't be able to use the handheld, which is okay. Works good. Awesome.
and the switch it is way behind the actual shower head, which is a pain to get to when you're in the shower without trying to slip, for somebody elderly like me.
It's terrible. Terrible. So what I have to do is switch it, press the button, and try to switch it back. That's not the setting I want, because the button is stuck. Or, this is terrible. Now it's switched to a different setting. Yeah, this is terrible. Water just dripping out of here. It's not deep. Those little things from Amazon. I got that shower head and everything from Amazon. And then I ordered this from Amazon as well. So that just got delivered this morning. I put it together. And that, I believe I ordered it from Amazon.
Está bien apretada el tubo. El que queda por el lado.